That evening was rough. I mean, I developed a low-grade fever and fatigue and chills and all.
Yasser Batalvi is describing the side effects that he experienced during Moderna's COVID vaccine trial.
30 minutes later, I had a little bit of stiffness, muscle soreness in my left arm. It's like you're punched in the arm, basically.
Right. When you're going through this whole process, Yasser, 22-page consent form, hearing about all the potential side effects, knowing that you're trialing something that we don't have a lot of data on at the time, did you have any second thoughts before taking it?
Honestly, Sanjay, yes.
It's claiming an efficacy of 94.1%.
Every decision we make is risk versus reward. And when the company announced early data showing over 94% efficacy, Yasser was confident it had been worth it.
It doesn't last long. And the potential of folks not getting this vaccine and actually infecting people with COVID, those effects last a lot longer and they can be life or death.
These are early days, and the two vaccine frontrunners in this country, Pfizer and Moderna, use a type of genetic sequence called mRNA. It's a technology that has never before been used in humans outside of a clinical trial. mRNA stands for messenger RNA. It carries the instruction for making whatever protein you want. In this case, the spike protein the virus uses to enter our cells. These vaccines require 2 doses, one to prime, one to boost, a few weeks apart so the body mounts what we hope will be a lasting immune response. One of the biggest concerns now is that the side effects that Yasser is describing, fatigue, muscle pain, fever, and chills, will deter people from getting that second dose.
Maybe 10-15% of the subjects immunized have quite noticeable side effects that usually last no more than 24-36 hours.
Do you worry about the impact of this vaccine on you long term?
I gave it a lot of thought, and the only thing that gave me some calm was trying to research the actual vaccine, trying to understand how mRNA vaccines work.
We understand this for sure. You can't get infected from this vaccine because the vaccine doesn't actually contain the virus. And even though these are genetic-based vaccines, they don't alter our DNA. And as far as those side effects go, that may even be a good sign.
That means your immune response is working for you. You should feel good about that. And it shouldn't really be any difficulty coming back for that second shot, knowing that you're now in a much better position to fight off this awful virus.
For now, Yasser is looking forward to his next appointment, which is on December 10th, the exact day the FDA might authorize the first vaccine for COVID-19.
So I put my name down because I felt so helpless. It's public service. I have to do it because I think mass-scale vaccination is really the only realistic way out of the pandemic that we're in.
Dr. Sanjay Gupta, CNN, reporting.